have to put that in the video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we are actually doing making food out of slime. This video has been actually highly recommended. And today I'm collabing with my friend Nora from Nora'sDiy's.
Nora.
Yes, her channel will be linked down below. The video we did was testing out Instagram slimes. So today's video, like I said, we're doing food out of slimes. We're going to be making a burger, pancakes, and cookies. Let's get to it. We're making 3 pancakes with a piece of yellow butter on top with some syrup. Okay guys, so we got our shade of brown. It actually took a little while. Now we're going to activate it up and make 3 sections. Going in with a hand. Okay, so Nora got her color and I got my color.
Yeah, this is my organic because I couldn't turn it into a brown. So and now it's organic.
So let's just make our pancakes now. But first we have to make our syrup and our butter. So let's get to that. It worked.
Then add some like yellow.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. I hate brown slime so much. That looks like bean dip.
On me.
That looks so. Okay guys, so we finished our slimes.
My organic one.
We have our brown, attempt to be brown color for the 3 pancakes that we're making, along with this brown or lighter brown with some yellow syrup, which is clear. And we're going to be using a yellow pom-pom for the butter on top. So the last thing we need to do is just make it and put it all together. Before we put this together, we are actually going to be over-activating this entire thing. Or we're going to be over-activating this so it can hold its shape longer.
So guys, this is my pancake.
Actually, it looks pretty good. Comment down below if you would eat that.
It's organic.
Okay, so here is our final product. Don't forget to comment down below which one you like better, and we're going to be mixing these. So let's get to it. Pretty sure it's just going to be a light brown for mine. Yeah. And watch till the end because we're going to be mixing every single one of these slimes together. The next thing we're going to be doing is a burger. So let's get to it again.
I'll make the
lettuce.
I'll make the cheese and the tomato in the bottom burger.
Okay.
And you make the lettuce, the burger, and the top.
Yeah.
Because I cannot make the burger again.
Yeah.
And we're going to split this slime up, so.
top and bottom breads. the lettuce, the tomato, the cheese, and the patty. Oh, and the patty. We overactivated all of them so they would stick together. So now let's make them. That bad. It looks so good.
No, it looks really bad.
It doesn't look that bad. Like, you can tell what it is.
Okay, mix. These are going to be like so overactivated. Whoa.
Now we're going to go on to our last round, which is the cookie round. We're going to be making cookies. Let's get to it.
Yeah, boy.
So we made some mini cookies after a while, and they were overactivated again. And it actually took a while to get the color again. So, yeah, here are the cookies. Comment down below which slime you liked better out of all of them. Now, let's mix every single one together. This is nasty. Ew, what is that? Don't add it in. No. No, not that! Put that all in there. Perfect.
Feels like that.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. And I'll see you in my next video.